This is Holystone HS720G, and today I'll show how you can swap a battery on this drone. So in the beginning, take your aircraft and make sure that it is powered off, so switched off. Now unfold the legs, starting with the rear ones, then unfold the front legs as well here. Yep, so here you go. Then at the rear or back side of your drone, you'll find the battery compartment, and the battery itself has those two buttons which you need to press in and then simply take the battery out. Now take your replacement battery, align this contact point with that contact point on the battery itself, and then simply slide it in. Once it is slotted all the way, that means that the battery change has been performed successfully. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.